What if the nightmare started the moment you left your child at boarding school? Imagine sending your child to a school with centuries of prestige, believing they will be safe, nurtured, and guided, only to discover that the adults entrusted with their care may not have their best interests at heart. At Miss Hall's school in Massachusetts, students trusted the adults around them to keep them safe, only to find that one teacher, Matthew Rutledge, had been grooming and sexually abusing young girls for years. Reports of his inappropriate behavior were ignored or actively suppressed by school leadership, leaving students feeling trapped, silenced, and utterly betrayed. The very people meant to protect them had allowed danger to hide in plain sight. This is why parents must recognize the early signs of boarding school sexual abuse before it's too late. Red flags in school staff behavior. Abuse often starts quietly, with staff engaging in behaviors that seem caring or harmless. Parents must watch for actions that cross professional boundaries or encourage secrecy, especially in residential schools where children spend long hours under adult supervision. Boundary violations. Early warning signs include excessive favoritism toward a child or unexplained gifts such as jewelry, clothing, electronics, or money. Inappropriate physical contact, repeated private meetings, or messages outside official channels should raise immediate concern. Inappropriate offers. Offers that go beyond normal responsibilities can signal grooming. Staff volunteering to drive a child, providing babysitting, offering financial help or work, or inviting children to their home are all red flags. What may appear as generosity can be a way to gain unsupervised access. Communication red flags. Parents should be cautious when staff bypass professional communication. Frequent personal messages, discussions of personal or sexual topics, requests to keep secrets, or contact during evenings, weekends, or breaks are all concerning. Healthy communication is always professional and transparent. Warning signs in your child. Children rarely disclose abuse directly, especially in boarding schools where loyalty, fear, or shame may prevent them from speaking up. Changes in behavior, emotions, academics, or physical health are often the first signals. Secretive behavior, isolation, reluctance to attend school, regression in habits, or drops in performance should not be ignored. Persistent anxiety, withdrawal, mood swings, signs of depression, or thoughts of self-harm are serious indicators. Fear of specific staff members or age-inappropriate sexual knowledge should raise immediate concern. Social, academic, and physical signs. Abuse disrupts social and academic stability. Withdrawal from friends, unexplained gifts or money, sudden changes in grades or interests, unexplained injuries, sleep or eating changes. Regressive behaviors such as bedwetting, frequent headaches or stomach aches, or signs of substance use all require attention. Research shows that nearly 27% of third culture kids attending boarding schools report experiencing sexual abuse before 18. More than 1 in 4 students may endure grooming, abuse, or trauma during their boarding school years. If you suspect your child may have experienced abuse, reaching out to a boarding school sexual abuse lawyer can help you investigate the situation, safeguard your child, and take the necessary legal steps. A boarding school abuse lawsuit can hold the school accountable for its failures, while a knowledgeable boarding school sexual abuse attorney can assist in negotiating a fair school sexual abuse settlement. Consulting a boarding school sexual abuse lawyer early ensures you have guidance and support throughout the process, helping protect your child and pursue justice. Parents who act promptly can make sure that abusive institutions are held responsible and that their children receive the safety and care they deserve. Even in prestigious schools, vigilance and awareness are the first steps toward protecting children. Recognizing red flags, observing changes in behavior, and seeking legal support can make all the difference. Consulting a boarding school sexual abuse lawyer can be the decisive step that safeguards your child and gives families both clarity and security. Grab your free case review via the link in description or pinned comment, or visit rosenfeldinjurylaw.com.